welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be doing the September 2019 Facetory. So if you are not familiar with Facetory, I'm gonna tell you what it is. First, again, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We do all kinds of fun unboxings. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We do currently have multiple giveaways going on, so definitely check out those. We have our makeup and skincare giveaway that does not end until the first week of October. We have our Boxy Luxe giveaway where I'm giving away some of the products from the September 2019 Boxy Luxe. So we have giveaways out the wazoo on this channel all the time, so definitely take a look. Now, Facetory. Get a box of sheet masks delivered to your doorstep every month. It's a fun, easy, and affordable way to discover the latest and cult favorites of Korean sheet masks. So you can obviously subscribe. They have two different plans. They have the Forever Fresh, which is what I have right here, which is only $8.90, free shipping. And then they have their 7 Luxe, where you receive 7 luxurious sheet masks. That is $19.90 a month. Again, free shipping. And I do have a link that I will put down below. If you would like to sign up for Facetory, it will actually get you bonus masks. You get up to 10 free masks with your first order. So it's really awesome. It's a great way to build up, you know, your collection of sheet masks. And who doesn't love a good sheet mask? It's always a great variety. So let's get in here and see what we got for September. They have started including little postcards every time. And this one is so cute. It says "Falling for You." So adorable. Like I said, it's a little postcard. And then we have our little sheet. It tells us about each of the masks and their retail value, which I appreciate. This says September Forever Fresh. September marks the arrival of the cozy season, and we wanted to help prepare your skin for the dry months ahead. In this month's Forever Fresh kit, you'll find sheet masks that are aimed at calming the skin, providing hydration, and adding moisture. Get ready to fall in love with your best skin yet. Now, this first mask right here is a Facetory mask. And it is the Everyday Acai Rejuvenating Mask, a super gentle plant-based sheet mask that protects, moisturizes, and brightens all at the same time. And then it says, first off, we love that our Facetory Everyday Masks contain no harsh chemicals or fragrances. This acai mask made our skin look radiant and plump. We couldn't get enough. A must-have in any skincare treatment. So it obviously has acai fruit extract and purslane extract. And the retail value is $3.50. So I'm excited about that guy right there. And then we have, I actually have this mask. So I'll probably put this to the side for a giveaway, because like I said, I already have it. So this is a watermelon face mask from Look at Me. And it says, quench your skin's thirst with this deeply hydrating tinsel sheet mask that is so soft on the skin and packed with essence. This mask smells delicious, and it gave our skin this beautiful glass skin look. Obviously, it's got watermelon extract and lavender flower water. And it says when to use when you need more water on your skin or when you want to smell like a watermelon. So this has a retail value of $3.50. So right there, just those two masks are $7. So you're already at like almost the cost of the box or the bag. And then we have our third mask from Jean Blanc, a Cica Essential Sheet Mask. This tinsel sheet mask is infused with a lovely essence that is packed with skin calming botanicals to calm down angry, inflamed skin. This mask helped add hydration to our skin while minimizing the redness caused by acne and dry patches. Relax and try this mask after a stressful day. And it has centella acidica extract and camellia sinensis leaf extract. And it has a retail value of $2.50. And then our final mask is from Orgenia. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Essential Vitamask Nutrition. And it says, this mask is packed with vitamins B, C, and E for a well-rounded, nutritious snack for your skin. We love that this mask had a slightly cooling sensation during application. It felt like we were in a luxury spa. It hydrated our complexion and gave us beautiful, smooth, and glossy skin. It's got niacinamide. I can never say this word. Never. Niacinamide. And sodium ascorbyl phosphate. And it has a retail value of $3. So lots of vitamins and good stuff for your skin. So that's one thing about the Facetory subscription I like, is that they generally do give a variety of masks. So we have this one that has tons of vitamins. This one that says it's got the calming effect. It helps improve, wrinkles. This is a hydrating mask that apparently is going to make you smell like a watermelon. Like I said, I have this, so this will be going to the side for a giveaway. I just haven't tried mine yet. But I mean, if it makes you smell like a watermelon, then that's fantastic. And then we have the Acai, which is a rejuvenating mask. So I just love the variety in this subscription so much. So like I said, I will put a link down below. If you choose to use that link, it will get you up to 10 extra masks with your first order. And again, the Forever Fresh is only $8.90. And they do again have that 7 Luxe where you get 7 luxurious masks. Those masks are a little bit more pricey, pricier masks. They may not be the $3 or $3.50. They may be like $5 and $6 masks. And you get 7 of those for $19.90 every month. And again, both of them do have free shipping. Again, that link will be down below. Don't forget about those giveaways. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.